Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel, Lane Farmhouse Collective. So today's video, we're going to be doing a super simple sugar scrub DIY with the lavender. And also I'm going to take y'all on a tour through our local lavender farm. I really love supporting small businesses and businesses in our area. This place was super cute, super informational, and I really hope that y'all enjoy this video. They had the neatest area set up with picnic tables under this huge tree, perfect for bringing a lunch and hanging out. Oh my gosh, look at how cute the front of this store is. I absolutely love it, and the owners are so sweet. Sweet dog. They had the neatest shop, and it smelled, of course, just like lavender. Madeline, Lana, and Wes went with me, and I think they really enjoyed it too. Wes picked out the watermelon bar soap. It smells really good. He's really enjoyed that, so that's exciting. I'm glad he found something in there as well. Wes had showed me this lavender honey. I'm in love with it. I'm excited. Further down in the video, I'll show y'all what I did with it. But there's also culinary lavender. I'm really excited to go back and try some of that. And the bath bombs, y'all, when I say this store smelled amazing and you were just like so calm and relaxed through it, I completely mean it. So this is that lavender infused honey. It tastes so good. I've been putting it in my coffee as a natural sweetener. And then, of course, I have to add in our Sandy Grove's raw milk, and it just really makes for the perfect cup of coffee. This morning I tried something a little bit different and put the honey on just a piece of toast, and it was so good. And I don't like toast. So it was definitely a welcomed yummy treat. So here are the ingredients for the lavender sugar scrub. You use the pure sugar cane, which is really great because it's a little coarser than the normal sugar, and then coconut oil. So you're going to use 1.5 cups of your sugar cane, 1/4 cup coconut oil that has been melted down, and some lavender oil. So all you're going to do is mix all that together. Just be sure that you are using really good quality essential oils. This is 100% pure therapeutic grade, and you're going to use between 15 and 20 drops. And be sure you mix all of that together really, really well. I also added some of these lavender buds in. They smell so good, but be sure and be extra gentle when you are mixing them up. I used my hand so that it wouldn't crush any of them. These little jars that I'm filling up, I happen to find at IKEA. I think I paid I want to say it was under $3 for a package of 3, and they really make the perfect little canisters for these sugar scrubs. These little sugar scrubs literally make the perfect homemade gift for birthdays, teachers' gifts. You know, Christmas is over, but Valentine's Day is coming up, and I really, really love a gift from the heart. And what better gift than these? I also added in some of that lavender oil into my Epsom salt in my bathroom because I love taking a bath, and it just made it so amazing. Thank you all so much for watching. Be sure and hit that subscribe button if you've enjoyed this video, and I'll see y'all later.